Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Path to Wellness. Today's video is how to get ripped by eating carbs. That's right, how to get ripped by eating carbs. There's so much talk that I see on social media on how to lose weight, you avoid carbs. Don't eat carbs because carbs have sugar, sugar makes you fat, and if you're eating carbs, you're not gonna be able to lose weight. So I disagree with this premise. And I wanted to make a video about it because I myself eat plenty of carbs and I know of others that do as well. And I don't think I don't think the best way to lose weight is to not eat carbs. I think there's ways that you actually eat carbs and you can be really fit and it's going to be more healthy overall and much more healthy in the long run. So I just wanted to talk about that on this video. There's a lot of important nutrients in carbohydrates. They're packed with antioxidants, vitamins A, vitamin C, all sorts of vitamins and minerals. Now, when I'm talking about carbs, I'm talking about healthy carbs, fruits and vegetables. So if we're eating a low carb diet, that means we're not eating any fruit, which is one of the main things we should be eating. I guess you could still eat vegetables and be on a low carb diet, but a lot of people aren't eating any carbs at all, which means they're not eating any plant foods, no fruits and no vegetables, which I think is going to get you in a lot of trouble in the long run. I think it's going to be very dangerous in the long run. Short term, it may be able to do some things, but we need to add these foods in, and they're an important part of the diet. So to get ripped by eating carbs, first of all, you need to lead an active lifestyle. So you need to incorporate strength training to tone the body and build muscle. This is super important. We must be very active. Humans are supposed to be really active. We're not supposed to be sitting down all day, inside all day. That's not what we're supposed to be doing. Now, I myself have a desk job, but I have a standing desk. So I hardly ever sit. I mean, I pretty much never sit. I'm either always standing or walking. I sit very rarely throughout the day. So even if you work at a desk, you can get a standing desk, make sure you're standing. And just working out for 30 minutes or an hour once a day is not going to be enough. So you have to I go on several walks throughout the day. I'd say 3 to 4, sometimes 5 walks a day, plus the daily strength training, because these walks are going to enable you to burn through the carbohydrates and get into fat burning mode. So several walks throughout the day, standing desks, treadmill desks, and daily strength training. When you add all these up, that's going to be one of the ways that you're going to be able to get ripped by eating carbs. Now, the second thing is, the eating window is super important. So another thing I don't think we're supposed to be doing is eating food all day long. So when you have an eating window, let's say you have even a 5, 6, 7 hour eating window, you have 16, 17, 18, 19 hours a day that you're burning through the calories, burning through the carbohydrates, and you can get into fat burning mode even if you're eating carbs. So it's super important when you combine a time restricted eating with strength training, lots of exercise throughout the day. This enables you to burn through your carbohydrates and get into fat burning mode. And this is going to help you get ripped by eating carbs. Plus, you're going to be getting all the important nutrients you need, all the micronutrients from fresh fruits and vegetables, which we should be eating and which we really need. And that's going to help strengthen the immune system so we don't get sick as well. So all these things put together is going to help you get healthy, it's going to help you get strong, and it's going to help you get ripped and have the physique that you want as well. And again, when I'm talking about carbs, carbohydrates, I'm not talking about processed foods. I'm talking about fruits and vegetables. So again, all the people that are doing these low carb or no carb diets are not eating fruits and vegetables, which I think in the long term is going to have a lot of negative effects. So I think it's really important. I just want to get this message out there to not be scared of carbs, but to be smart about it. Eat healthy carbs, fresh fruits and vegetables. Make sure you're very active, and you don't need to eat from the moment you wake up to the moment you go to bed. You can put your eating in a window, whether you eat 1, 2, or 3 meals, even 3 meals a day. You can do that in 8 hours or less. I don't think anyone should be eating at a bigger window than 8 hours. I just don't think it's necessary. I can easily get my food in 4 or 5 hours. Sometimes I get my food in 2 or 3 hours, and I'm very active, and it totally works. I know it works for a lot of other people as well. So make sure that you're eating your fruits and vegetables, doing your strength training. You're very active throughout the day. Go on several walks, take breaks from your job. If you have a desk job, get a standing desk. Make sure you're getting plenty of rest. And those are the main key things that you need to do to be able to be ripped from eating carbs. So make sure you subscribe to the channel for more videos. Give a thumbs up if you like the video. Contact me if you want some one-on-one coaching. I do fat loss and wellness coaching, and I hope everyone has a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.